I'm going to show you how to enable full screen mode in Roblox Studio. If this video helps you out, subscribe to the channel to support the content. So, if you're using Roblox Studio in windowed mode and you want to switch to full screen so the Windows taskbar and borders disappear, here's what you need to do. There are basically two different ways to enable full screen mode inside Roblox Studio. The first method is by using the top menu bar. At the top of Roblox Studio, click on the View tab and then click on Full Screen. As soon as you do that, Roblox Studio will switch into full screen mode. If you want to leave full screen mode, just repeat the exact same process. Click on View again, then click Full Screen, and it will return back to normal window mode. The second method is much faster and honestly the one most people use. You can simply press the F11 key on your keyboard. As you can see here, pressing F11 instantly switches Roblox Studio into full screen mode. If you press F11 again, it goes back to windowed mode. Now, if you want to make the actual game window or experience window appear in full screen, that's a little different. All you need to do is click and drag the window to the very top of your screen. Once you drag it to the top, Windows will automatically maximize the window into full screen. And if you want to restore the window back to its original size, just drag it away from the top of the screen and place it back wherever you want. So yeah, that's basically how you enable and disable full screen mode in Roblox Studio. If this video was useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.